Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Datadog for monitoring data pipelines and ETL, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a Datadog account created. Log into your Datadog dashboard. Navigate to the configuration section from the main menu. Select the Integrations tab. Search for the ETL or data pipeline tool you're using. Click on the respective integration to view its setup instructions. Follow the provided steps to install the Datadog agent on your server. Once the agent is installed, open the configuration file. Update the configuration file to enable metrics collection for your data pipeline. Set the appropriate parameters based on your ETL tool's requirements. Restart the Datadog agent to apply the new configurations. Now, return to your Datadog dashboard. Go to the Metrics section to verify if data is being collected. Create a custom dashboard to visualize your data pipeline metrics. Add relevant widgets to your dashboard for an overview of key performance indicators. Utilize the alerting features to set up notifications for any anomalies. Incorporate tags to categorize your data sources for easier tracking. Monitor your data pipeline regularly for performance issues. Adjust your configurations as necessary based on the insights gained. Review the documentation available on the Datadog website for advanced settings. Stay updated with your Datadog account to make use of new features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.